Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UOIP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But I'm going to go ahead and delete these green lines out here. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, I just want to make mapping out kind of the overall concept as easy and clean to see as possible. And that overall concept is, hey, Clay, what do you think about the chart? Well, it depends. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within 7.23 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then yeah, I get it. The price did pull back today. But again, big picture, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base and therefore continue to construct a long-term uptrend. And that's going to be the point of view that I talk about the video from. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably just had a different perspective and strategy going into, into the trade. But yeah, as it stands right now, the bulls are still in full control from a big picture perspective. And case in point right here at 0025, you can see on 3 separate occasions today, the bears try to press down through there, but each and every time the bulls held very strong. And let's just say that continues to happen going forward. So 0025 is the new low. Well, when you look at where the previous lows are, you had some bases right there, and then the bases down here before everything woke up. You look at those as stair steps. Well, the stair steps are still very clearly in the upwards direction. Again, I fully realize if you're a day trader and you bought right there or something like that, you couldn't care less about these overall stair steps. But that's why, I'm trying to qualify things by saying I'm talking about from the big picture perspective. So 0025, yeah, that would certainly be the ideal level that you want to see the price hold. But from a grand scheme of things, it's all about the purple line right there, which is that famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line's going to continue to increase like that. And if you want to picture that as a trend line, I'd say that's more than logical. So, case in point, as long as the price is staying up above an uptrending trend line, well, by definition, that means the price itself is increasing, which again, by definition, is what a bullish move is, right? So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they basically insult your intelligence. So case in point, in my opinion at least, big picture perspective, bulls are in full control as long as the price remains up above that purple line, which so far so good, they are up above it. So the week is young, still 4 days left. We'll see how the rest of this week all unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.